Good evening to everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am the NEET counselor doing my counseling job since 10 years. So I hope all of you wrote NEET examination and got this course. So whatever the doubts you have, you can share with me. Definitely, I will try to clarify your doubts. Okay, let us start our session. Good evening. If you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself and ask your doubts, and preferable only in English. I don't know Hindi actually, so preferable language is English. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Let us start our session. So I will call upon one by one. Who is Jahnavi? You can unmute yourself. Even you can open your video also if you want. You can speak with me. Hello. Good evening, Andy. Good evening, all of you. Please respond from your side. Ask your questions, whatever you have doubts in NEET counseling related NEET. Unmute yourself and ask your doubts.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to ask like that we'll fill different rounds, like first round, second round, and we are allotted a college in like first round only, and then like most people say that if we'll wait till third counseling, so we'll get more better colleges, na? Because sometimes the seats are actually being vacanted. Like, so how come we'll upgrade our college? Like if we have taken it in first round only, like
Are you asking about All India quota counseling or state quota counseling?
all India, all over India.
All India, all over India. Okay, All India counseling. There are 4 rounds we have. Actually, suppose if you get the seat in first round, it is
Yes,
not mandatory. It is not mandatory to join in first round allotted seat. You can ignore it. Okay. But from second round onwards, if you want to leave the allotted seat, you need to forfeit the security deposit amount. But you can leave the allotted seat. You can skip it. Okay. Only until second round. So second round only, you have the permission to leave your seats. Once you enter into the mop-up round, even in mop-up round also, you have the opportunity to leave the seat. But if you if you leave your allotted seat, you don't have an opportunity to participate in stray vacancy round. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Any doubt? Anything else? Is this your doubt or something else? Hello, Zeevan?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I also wanted to ask you that, like, if we have left the seat in first round, like it
Ah,
only, so in the second round we have to again like fill our choices, our preferences of the colleges,
mm,
or it will be
mm.
like the list we have given in the first round only. That will be the one
Y-
which will go on till the third round.
No, 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 no. You need to put your web options for every round. Okay. The previous round web options will be deleted. Okay. So you need to put your web options fresh for every round. Okay. But you can put your web options, the same web options even in second round also. Whatever you have done in the first round, you can proceed with the same, but you need to fill up. Clear? Is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am. And then what
Thank
would
you.
be the fees for second and third round like?
Sorry.
What would be the like security fee? Like it's like not in the second round.
Actually, at the time of registration only, you need to pay the registration fee along with the security deposit amount. For general category and EWS category students, the registration fee and including security deposit amount should be 11,000 rupees. Out of this 11,000, 1,000 will be the registration fee. The security deposit amount 10,000. For the remaining students, OBC category, SC, ST and PWD category students, the amount is 5,500 rupees. Out of this, 500 rupees is the registration fee. 5,000 is the security deposit amount. You can receive your security deposit amount based on conditions after the total counseling completed only. Maybe you may get. But suppose you meant in second round, and if you want to leave that seat, you need to forfeit your, lose your security deposit amount. Clear?
And for the third round also, like if we have to pay, then we have to pay 11.
Same process, same
Okay,
process,
ma'am.
same process. The same security deposit amount will be forfeited. Suppose if you leave the seat with the forfeit of security deposit amount in the second round, okay, after that again, if you want to participate in the third round, again you need to pay the security deposit amount again for the third round. But there is a facility to participate, to continue the process. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Anybody, you can ask your questions, please. Any other people?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, good
Hello, ma'am.
evening. Good evening. Good evening,
Good
Jahnavi.
evening, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, some people were telling me about Andhra counseling that there is no option for upgradation, ma'am. They were telling that if we participated
Where,
in second round,
where are you from? Where are you from?
AP, ma'am, Andhra.
So I am also from AP. Okay, I am doing counseling for many people from several years. Okay, even in AP also, for every counseling in the whole India, you have an opportunity for upgradation. You can go up to third round for upgradation. Okay, first round, second round. But by the end of the third round, you don't have facility to get the upgradation in fourth round. Okay, you can't move to the fourth round once you get the CT allotment. Is it clear? But you
Okay,
had,
ma'am.
but you have the upgradation facility is there. And and also flexible conditions in AP counseling from last year onwards. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. What is the score? What is the score you got?
Ma'am, 522, ma'am.
Excellent score. Okay. What is your category?
OBC, ma'am.
OBC category. If you are interested, you can participate in All India Quota counseling also. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please do ask questions other people also. Please participate actively. This is the right time to get the awareness about NEET counseling. Please, all of you, please participate actively.
Hi, Vanja ma'am. Ma'am, I am from
Good evening.
Investor EDU team only. Good evening. Ma'am,
Good
since
evening.
the participants are very shy, can you talk about the general cutoff at which marks can they expect government colleges, at which marks private colleges is something that they should be looking into, and just a brief about the counseling process so that they get ideas and then maybe they will start asking a few questions.
Okay. The thing here is the cutoff marks should be different from one state to another state. Clear? Suppose if you take Andhra for OBC category student, for general category students around 500. Suppose if you take Telangana state, the cutoff should be for general category, it is 400, 400 only, sorry, 400 marks only. 100 marks variation is there. Suppose if you take Tamil Nadu state, even in Tamil Nadu state also, the cutoff should be for general category students around 500 plus. So like that, it is different from one state to another. Clear? So for all the states people, only in All India Quota counseling, I can say that for general category this year, maybe around 550 for general category. I thought that 550 or 570 for general category. For OBC category, approximately 540 something, 540 to 550 are almost very close to general category. General category, EWS category, and OBC category almost same marks in all India quota counseling. For SC and ST category students only, might be 30 marks or 40 marks variation you may have. Okay, and also some people, they are also participating in ESI quota also. Suppose if you have ESIC IP quota certificate, you can participate only through All India quota counseling to utilize your IP certificate. Even for through IP certificate in ESI colleges also, for general category, almost it is very close to All India quota counseling, All India quota category, general category cutoff only. That is also around 530 like that for ESI colleges also. Just like same OBC, SC, ST categories. So, but in ST categories, there may be more chance to get the seats in ESI colleges. This is about the cutoff. But everyone has to know about the main, not about the cutoff, but you need to get the awareness about the process only. The counseling process, you need to get aware. Okay, then only you can do your counseling in a proper way and smooth manner. So that I will tell you, just I will explain you how where you have to participate in All India quota counseling, and also what is the procedure, how can you go through the counseling process. Just I will give some small demo, okay, in the live. So I can share my screen. So my English knowledge, my English language is a little bit poor, so please cooperate. Okay. Now, sorry.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Now,
wanted to ask.
sorry.
I wanted to ask one thing, ma'am. Can I
Hmm.
ask?
Yeah, definitely. You can ask any type of questions.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask, like, if like I'm having Punjab quota.
Okay.
So, like, I'll be filling both the choices, all over India counseling also and state counseling also. And
Yes. Hmm.
I'll be state counseling. So I was having a doubt that if I'll get like Punjab's college, right, and from all
Hmm.
India counseling also I'm going on. So if
Hmm.
I'm not, I've taken the college in like Punjab, like any college. For example, I've taken GMC Patiala only, and
Hmm.
then in all over India counseling, I just got a better college. Then
Hmm.
how come I can actually leave that seat and actually, matlab, take a different seat from all over India counseling? Like, what would be the procedure for that?
Yeah. Yes. Even in all states, the rule is same. Okay. Suppose if you get the seat allotment in first round, okay, if you are interested, you can join. Okay. After join, if you get the seat, better seat in All India quota counseling, you may have a free exit option. Free exit option. Okay. After reporting time is completed, you may have the free exit option. During that free exit period only, you can leave your seat and should join in All India quota allotted seat. That is the only way. So this free exit option facility, this is available up to 2 rounds in state quota counselings. In all states, up to 2 rounds, you have the opportunity of free exit option. With that free exit option only, you can leave your previous round seat and you can join for the better seat allotment. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in all states, the same process, because NMC is conducting the counseling process. NMC is monitoring. So every state needs to follow the same rules and guidelines. Okay. So up to second round only, you have the opportunity to utilize free exit option. Even in All India quota counseling also, they same process. Okay. So every day, the thing here is, every day and minute you need to monitor the official websites only. Most important thing is you should follow only the official websites. This is the All India Quota Counseling official website, Medical Counseling Committee, MCC. Actually, this is still there in the date of 2024 itself. But once notification comes, then this will be changed to 2025. Clear? So here only you have the facility of new registration. Okay, this is last year page. Now this will be replaced with the 2025. So within almost 1 week or maximum 10 days, you will get the All India Quota Counseling notification. Then you need to monitor every day and every minute this website first. After All India Quota Counseling or parallelly, your state quota counselings also will start. Clear? So for every state and All India Quota Counseling, you have the opportunity of free exit. So after reporting time completed according to the schedule given, you should follow the dates of free exit. Then only you can leave the already joined seat and you can go to better college, whatever you got the allotment in other counselings. Clear? Clear? Your doubt? Clear your doubts? Hello? Is it clear now? Hello?
Ma'am, I think there is some issue at participants' end.
Okay, okay. Okay, this is the All India Quota Counseling. Within 1 week or maximum 10 days, you will get the notification to register for All India Quota Counseling. And one more thing is, for All India Quota Counseling only, you have the facility or opportunity to register for every round. Okay, you can register in any round, not only in the first round. Suppose if you not registered for first round, if are not interested to register for first round, you can register even for second round. Even third round also you can register. So there is a facility to register in any round, okay, depending on your interest. Suppose somebody is trying to do participation in for deemed universities. After seeing the opportunity in their own states, if no seat is allotted in convener quota or management quota, several students may participate, interested to participate in deemed universities. So for the deemed universities also, you can participate even third round directly without participating in the first round and second round also. Clear? So first, the important thing is every student and parent needs to open this site first. Later, you should see the notifications here. First, they will release the schedule and news in the news and events. You may get the prospectus or information bulletin. First, you should download the information bulletin and read properly and note it down the important points. They will explain in flowcharts also. So please go through the information bulletin very clearly and read each and every instructions of each round. Then only you should participate. Okay, this is very important thing. You can see here 2024 counseling schedule notifications are available here. And also the latest notifications, everything is available here. Suppose if you want to see the last year data, you can go this HU, here HU UG, you can see last year cutoff data also. Okay, the complete counseling process is available in PDFs. Okay, and also the first notification will be released in this MCC official website is PWD category student for PWD category students for physical examination. Okay, that is the first notification will release in this MCC website. After that only registration part will start. Okay, parallelly your state notifications also will come. So everybody should ready with your documents. The documents are very important. Okay, to start your counseling. So all of you please be ready with your documents. Okay, and also make sure that each and every soft copy document, make sure that you should have the original document. Without the original certificate, they won't give the admission. You may lose your seat also. If any original document less, then you may have chance to cancel your seat also. Okay, so everybody please be ready with the documents, proper documents, and also the scanned copies also should be very clear. Okay, so this is the MCC official website. So whatever the state you want to participate, just in the Google search bar, you should type. Suppose if you want to participate Punjab NEET counseling, then you should just type Punjab NEET counseling. Like this, automatically your counseling page will open. Okay. Similarly, you can type your own state or whatever you want. Okay, this is the Punjab NEET counseling. Sorry. Official website only you should open. So this is the counseling page. Like this, you can open your own state counseling pages. Okay, already Tamil Nadu released the counseling application process, started the counseling process for UG for both the convener quota and management quota parallelly. Similarly, even in AP, Telangana also, they will release convener quota and management quota notifications parallelly. Okay. Do you have any other doubts? You please ask me. I will clarify. Okay. It is better to
Madam.
ask the questions from your side.
Madam.
Yeah.
Madam, domicile certificate కావాలా madam AP కూడా?
Domicile certificate, which is useful for non-local categories, particularly non-local categories. Okay. Non-local category means it is different from one state to another state. Okay. In AP, the non-local category, nothing but suppose if the student studied minimum 4 years from 6th to 12th, then the student under local category comes under local category. Suppose if less than 4 years, definitely non-local. But to avail the non-local opportunity status, they need to produce the domicile certificate of parent and student both, not only parent. Till 2024, they consider only parents domicile certificate. From this year, they are changing the guidelines. Already GO released by the AP government. They released that and they said that student also need to stay for 10 years. Okay, excluding the study part in the other states. Okay, if you are local, no need of domicile certificate. Jahnavi, clear?
మేడం అంటే ఏఐక్యూకి పెట్టుకునేటప్పుడు అవసరం అవుతుందా మ్యామ్?
For AIQ, All India Quota Counseling, domicile certificate is not necessary. Migration certificate is necessary. Migration certificate for every student, those who are participating through All India Quota Counseling, if you get the seat allotment through All India Quota Counseling, you need to submit at the time of joining the migration certificate. You take after 12th class only. Okay. And also, suppose if you get the seat allotment through All India Quota Counseling, other than your own state, then you need to submit eligibility certificate also. Eligibility certificate of that particular state, everyone. Okay. Suppose one student, the student is from Karnataka state. The student wants to join in Kerala state through All India Quota Counseling. Not only through All India Quota Counseling, even through state quota counseling also, if the student wants to join in another state, they need to submit eligibility certificate of that particular state. That means this Karnataka state student needs to take the eligibility certificate from Kerala website only, Kerala state website only, like that. So compulsory For All India Quota Counseling students, it is mandatory to submit the eligibility certificates if you want to join other than your own state. Clear? But for all students, migration certificate is mandatory. Any other questions from other people, other students? Please. Okay. Where are you from? Can you please text me from which state you are participated? Everyone please type.
Ma'am, we have a question in chat also.
Yeah.
A
Just
participant
I'm
hand
open.
yeah. She has asked about the list of documents for counseling.
List of documents. Okay, I will show you the list of documents. Just a minute. Generally, for every state student, these are the important documents for all state students. You can see this is the list of documents. Just a minute. Okay. So the first one is NEET admit card. This is downloaded from the NTA website already we had. And also NEET scorecard. These two should be in the PDF format only. Don't take screenshots. You should download these two certificates from NTA official website only. Okay. Next, 10th class marks list. This is for date of birth, data for proof of date of birth. Next, 12th or intermediate marks list. Okay. Next, intermediate transfer certificate, TC. Next to 6th to 12th study or bona fide certificates for all the students for all states, including All India Quota Counseling. Next to Aadhaar card. Now this year they are encouraging the students to open your Aadhaar ID also. If you have Aadhaar ID, you can use it during the application filling. They may ask. For non-local status, this non-local status is different from one state to another state. So that this is from your information brochure only. You should get the guidelines. Then according to that only, you should prepare about a non-local status. Okay, this is not common for all the states. Okay. Next, latest caste certificate. So this is also based on your state. Okay. Suppose this is from one state to another, this is different from one state to another state. So according to your state reservations only, you should get the latest caste certificates. Caste means community certificates. Clear? And also here, I want to mention the caste certificate should be very recently. Okay, that is better. Okay, preferably. But for here, this is for AP students I have prepared. In AP, BCA, BCDA, like this only, we have the categories, OBC category, subcategories. But for All India Quota Counseling, they ask only OBC certificate. Okay. Next, latest income certificate, if applicable. It is not mandatory for all the students. Based on your parents' income, then only that only you may have the latest income certificate. If you are eligible to get the income certificate, you should bring it. Okay, you should get it from MRO. Next, EWS certificate. The EWS certificate is only you should take on or after April 1st, 2025, not before that date. Okay, if you take in the month of February, that is not valid for this counseling. It is mandatory to take only on or after April 1st. Clear? Next, OBC NCL caste certificate. This is OBC NCL means for All India Quota purpose only, you need to use or submit OBC NCL certificate. This OBC NCL certificate also you should take only on or after April 1st, 2025. Clear? Before date, it is not valid. Next, suppose if you want, anybody wants to join in Muslim minority certificate, Muslim minority colleges, they may ask Muslim minority certificate, so that according to, based on your state conditions only, you may get the, should get the Muslim minority certificate. If applicable only, you can use it. Next, gap certificate from coaching institute. This gap certificate also from state to state, it is quietly different. Some states, they are accepting the gap certificates taken from the coaching centers. But some states, they are asking from MROs or Tahsildars, they are asking. Okay. So it is also depending on state. Next, PWBD disability certificate. Suppose if any student is having physically with a disabled benchmark disability, so they need to submit the disability certificate. But the PWBD certificate, you need to attend for physical examination before start the counseling process. Okay, the venue and schedule will be released in the notifications of the concern respect to states, and also in the All India Quota Counseling MCC website also they will release the notification regarding this physical examination. Okay. Next, suppose if you have any special categories, NCC, sports, scouts and guides, CAP, PMC, suppose if you have the reservations in your own state, then accordingly you need to submit these certificates to avail the special category reservations. Okay. Next, equivalency certificate. So equivalency certificate is for non-local students only, they may ask equivalence certificate. Suppose the student from Karnataka state wants to join in Telangana state. Compulsory, this guy has to take the equivalency certificate from Telangana State Intermediate Board in online process. Okay, so equivalency certificate is mandatory for AP and Telangana state. Okay, for the students, those who wants to join from other states to AP or Telangana. If you want to join in Telangana, you need to take the Board of Intermediate of Education, Telangana state. If you want to join in AP, you need to take the Board of Intermediate Education, AP, in online process only. Clear? Next, equivalence certificate. This is for abroad students, I think. Next, migration certificate. Migration certificate after 12th or intermediate only acceptable. Okay. For CBSE students, the institutions will give along with intermediate or 12th TC and 12th marks list. But state board students, you need to get the migration certificate from online websites only from your concern respective states. Okay, concerned intermediate boards. Okay. Next, eligibility certificate. Eligibility certificate, already I told you that if you want to join other than your state, okay, then you need to submit the eligibility certificate. This is not applicable for AP and Telangana because these two states are following the same syllabus in the 12th standard. That's why they are not what it is accepting these okay, this is not required for AP and Telangana state students eligibility certificate. Okay. Next, ESIC Ward of IP certificate. This is already you know that some students may have the ESI Ward of IP eligibility. So already they have taken the IP certificate. So this Ward of IP certificate will be valid for All India Quota Counseling only. So during All India Quota Counseling, you need to put the web option, you need to select the option to participate in ESIC quota. Okay, then only you can choose the web option for ESIC Ward of ESIC scheme colleges. If you forget to select the option for ESIC, you don't have opportunity to put the web options for ESIC colleges. Okay, so that you need to select the option for ESIC. Next, OCA card. Suppose if any students are OCA card holders, they need to take the card before 4/3/2021. Okay, these students only eligible to participate in NEET counseling. And NRI documents. Suppose in your state, if you don't get the seat in convener quota or management quota, that is B category, then if you are interested to join through NRI category, you need to upload NRI documents at the time of application filling only. So this is for Andhra only I have given. So based on your state, some states they ask for eligible, sorry, that is embassy certificate also. It is mandatory to have the to upload the embassy certificate. But the AP students embassy certificate is not required. That's why I didn't mention here. But other states compulsory, it is mandatory to submit eligible, sorry, embassy certificate along with these certificates. Okay. So these are the NRI documents you need to upload at the time of application filling for management quota. If you want to join in C category or NRI category. Clear? And passport size photo, signature, left thumb impression, these should be in JPG format. All the remaining should be in PDF formats. You should prepare before start the counseling. Next, every transaction should be done only in online. Okay, not through UPI apps. Only they accept internet banking, debit card, credit card. Some states only they allow UPI apps also, but preferably most of the states counselings accept only, including All India quota counseling. They allow internet banking, debit card, credit card. Okay, and also um, each and every payment should be in only single payment only, not in installments. Clear? And also it is better to make your transactions by your own cards only, family members cards only. Don't use your relatives or neighbors cards. Okay, because some of the amounts, some security deposit amounts should be refunded to your bank accounts. So that for refund details also you should give your own bank details only, family members bank details only. Next, registered mobile number and alternative mobile number. These already you have given for NEET examination applications. The same mobile number and alternative mobile number you need to use during the All India quota counseling also. But for state quota counseling, they may accept to change the mobile numbers or even email IDs also. Clear? So these are the main documents for every state student to participate in NEET counseling, either for convener quota, management quota, or All India quota. Clear? Is it clear now?
Thank you so much, Vanja ma'am. So I
Thank
would
you.
like to actually ask, this is a very good opportunity for the participants. If you have any questions, any rank related questions, any state quota, all India quota related questions, this is the time to ask.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Please open your mouth and ask the questions from your side. This is the very good opportunity to get the awareness regarding the NEET counseling. Okay. Please ask questions, utilize the session, please.
మేడం
Yeah.
మేడం ఏయుకి ఇంకా ఎస్వియు రీజియన్స్ కి కట్ ఆఫ్ వేరియేషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందా మ్యామ్? అంటే నేను ఏయు స్టూడెంట్ ని. SUV
డెఫినెట్లీ డెఫినెట్గా అమ్మా, డెఫినెట్గా ఉంటుంది. ఏయుకి ఎస్విఓకి దాదాపుగా ఒక 30-40 మార్క్స్ వరకు వేరియేషన్ ఉంటుంది. కొన్ని కేటగిరీస్కి అయితే చాలా దగ్గరగా ఉంటుంది. ఒక 10 to 15 మార్క్స్ వేరియేషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఏయులో ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఎస్విలో తక్కువ ఉంటుంది.
అంటే మ్యామ్ నేను ఇప్పుడు ఏయు కదా మ్యామ్, కర్నూలు మెడికల్ కాలేజ్ కి అవి పెట్టుకోవాలంటే పెరుగుతాయా మ్యామ్ మళ్ళీ నాకు?
అంటే మీ స్కోర్కి వస్తుందండి. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏయూలో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసే స్టూడెంట్స్లో మీది హైయెస్ట్ స్కోర్ అంటే అంటే కొంచెం హై స్కోర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మీకు కర్నూలులో కూడా 15%లో ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఓకే.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఎనీ
So
అదర్
I think,
క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రమ్
ma'am, I think I will also have to add few points here. So guys, in case if you are looking for a one-stop solution, right, like end-to-end solution for counseling, Vanja ma'am also helps student for counseling. And Janvi, after this call, we can connect and you can check with your parents if they are okay. We can actually, you know, give you the best possible guidance, as well as Vanja ma'am will help you till the time you don't find a suitable college. But these services will be the paid
Yeah.
services. And I'm gonna just share quickly our website where you can go and, you know, connect basically.
సార్.
1 minute. I'm sharing my screen. I'm just
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్.
So this is our website. Basically, what you guys need to do is, in case if you are looking for a counseling, right? So what you can do is you can log into our website and you can go on education services. Okay. And then you can go on career counseling. So we have basically two different types of counseling for NEET. So one will be the basic one. Yeah. What you need to do is you need to go here, and first is the NEET MBBS counseling. Like if you have basic doubts, you want to know what colleges you can get, and you know, on your current score. So this will be the best suitable for you guys. You can go here and you can schedule. Okay. But let's say you are looking for end-to-end solution. Okay, you want our counselor to help you with the application filling, documentation, careful documentation, and choice filling. These all things can be taken care by Vanija ma'am. So she can actually help you for that. This is the charges, and this is only for all India and one state. So as long as you want to apply for more states, so 10,000 will be added to this. Okay. So in this 14,999, you're gonna get one all India quota choice filling and one state. Okay, any state of your choice. And then if you want to add on more states, then you know, I have already informed. You can do it by yourself. It is very easy. You can come to our website, and you have my number over here as well. You can connect with me also. My name is Dhruv, and I take care of the education services, specifically NEET, JEE, and another career counseling. Okay, so I think you all have my number because few of you have contacted me, and I'm just sharing my number here. You guys can contact me on this number as well. Any questions before we wrap up this meeting?
Please ask the questions from student side.
So, Priyu, do you have any questions? Because I think we spoke over a call, and If you have any question, please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Hello.
Like
Yeah.
I have some specific questions.
Please, you can ask me.
Ma'am, I am the one who is pursuing this course in my family first time. Like I want to go for one-to-one and matlab details. I don't know what to do after this result.
What
I
is your score? What is your score?
490 AIR 64K
Okay, where are you from?
UP
UP. Okay. Which category do you belong?
OBC NCL.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Yeah, so I
Definitely.
literally yes, ma'am.
If you want the counseling process mentorship, you please contact sir. Okay, through his contact number. Definitely, he will provide you the session. There, I can explain you everything very clearly. Okay, I will
Like
provide you the
first of
complete
all, I want
counseling
to get
process.
clarified that should I go for counseling or not? Like everybody is saying me that you shouldn't go for it.
No, 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 no. Every student, uh, compulsory, it is mandatory. It is better to participate in counseling because you have the good score, 498 something. This is good score this year. Okay, this year you may have the chance. Don't lose the chance. This is good
Uh,
score because above 500, very less people are there. Already NTA released one PDF. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
this year, very less people got the high scores, so that you may have the opportunity to get the convener quota seat in your state also. So don't lose the opportunity. You should participate and should wait until the last round, last day. Definitely you may get the chance. Okay, don't do mistake.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
yes.
So,
If you
Prem,
have
we
any
can-
doubts, and also if you want to know about the complete process, please contact sir. He will provide you the session. Definitely, I will help you the total in the counseling process. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah,
So, guys,
welcome.
for your knowledge and your information, my number and my email address is there in the chat box. And in January for you also, ma'am, because last year also we have did many admission for AP and Telangana.
Yes,
So,
sir.
in case if you are interested, please reach out to me. I will be arranging a final session for you where ma'am will be guiding you for different
Even
colleges in AP and Telangana.
even UP for other states also, definitely I
Yes,
can
yes,
help
yes.
you even in a
Sure.
total counseling process and one-to-one interactive sessions also. You can join and ask your doubts and you should get the information, more information from my side. Okay. For any state, I will provide you the complete process help. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, sir.
all right,
Shall
ma'am.
we close
I
the,
think they don't have much question left.
yeah. So
మేడం
shall we close
హలో
the
మేడం
session? Yeah. Yeah.
హలో
Please.
మేడం నేను
Please.
జాహ్నవి ఏయూ రీజియన్ మేడం
Okay, ma. Both
ఇప్పుడు నేను
Jahnavis are from AP. Okay.
సేమ్ కాలేజ్ మేడం
Emma?
సేమ్ కాలేజ్ మేడం వి బోత్ ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ సేమ్
Avuna.
కాలేజ్
Okay, fine. Nice.
షీ సజెస్టెడ్ మీ మేడం
Hmm.
యువర్ వీడియో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎస్వీలో ఉన్న కాలేజెస్ కి పెట్టుకోవాలంటే ఏమన్నా స్పెషల్ సర్టిఫికేట్స్ కావాలా
No need. No need. మీరు అంటే రీజియన్ నాన్ లోకలే కానీ స్టేట్ నాన్ లోకల్ కాదు మీరు, కాబట్టి మీకు యూ డోంట్ రిక్వైర్ ఎనీ అదర్ సర్టిఫికేట్స్. ఓకే.
మా మా కట్ ఆఫ్ ఇలానే ఉంటుందా మేడం
మీది ఎంత, మా స్కోర్ ఎంత మీది?
485 మేడం
485 అంటే మీకు ఎస్వియులో కేటగిరీ
ఓసీ మేడం
ఓసి, మీకు ఎస్వియులో రావచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే ఏయుకి మీకు ఒక 15 మార్క్స్ వేరియేషన్ ఉండొచ్చు. సో ఏయుకి 500 వరకు అనుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి డెఫినెట్లీ యూ మే గెట్ ద ఛాన్స్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
ఓకే అమ్మా. జస్ట్ వెబ్ ఆప్షన్స్ పెట్టుకునేటప్పుడు ఏయు ఎస్వియు ఎలా అయినా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు ఆర్డర్, ఇట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. You can choose the web options in any order. Okay, not in the first for the first priority to the AP AU, the next priority to SVU, not like that. You can choose any combination, mixed combinations also you can choose. Okay, కలిపి పెట్టుకోవచ్చు అన్నీ కూడా. లేదు మేము ఎస్వియు ఫస్ట్ పెట్టుకున్న తర్వాత ఏయు పెట్టుకుంటామన్నా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ అప్ టు యూ ఓన్లీ, మీ ఇష్టం అది. నో రిస్ట్రిక్షన్స్. బట్ అన్ని కాలేజెస్ పెట్టాలి వెబ్ ఆప్షన్స్,
ఓకే మేడం.
అన్ని ఇంక్లూడింగ్ మైనారిటీ కాలేజెస్ ఆల్సో పెట్టాలి. ఓకే
ఓకే మేడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Janvi,
Okay,
both of the Janvi, we have shared one WhatsApp group link. So if you can join, we can directly connect with Vanja ma'am over there. Like you might be having other
yes, sir.
questions also, right?
ఓకే సార్.
So you can just click on that link and you will be the part of WhatsApp group. We already have 18-20 people, students already there in that group. So you guys can also check with your parents and then get back to us, because we will start with the rounds of counseling and then ma'am can actually guide you in a better way.
ఓకే. ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Okay.
Sumant Reddy, okay, from your side. Okay, sir.
So I think we are good. Ayushi, anything else you want to add on, or there is any other input?
No, I think we can close the session.
Yeah.
And thank you so much, Vanja ma'am, for such a insightful session. I am sure
Yeah.
this is going to help to all the students over there in the session. I myself have done
Yes.
the journey, and the counseling process is very tricky.
Yeah, very
So
complex, very complex.
very
Yes.
complex. So thank you so much for just pointing out where to find the notifications, which all documents are required.
Yeah.
I am pretty sure
Mm.
this is going to help the students a lot. So thank you so much again, ma'am, for taking the
Yeah,
session.
yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. Thank you once and all. You please think about this counseling process, and it is better to get some guidance from known people. It is better to take the mentorship from counselors. Okay, because one small thing I want to share with you, everyone, in the last minute. Actually, in AP last year, one student, he got the score 675 marks. Okay, during web options filling, he has done all the web options choice filling is over by his cousin, by his uncle, a software engineer. But at the end of the web options OTP enter point, due to technical issues, OTP doesn't come, they didn't get the OTP. Just they neglect the entering of OTP and leave the web options page, and they just shut down the laptop. So finally, at the allotment, in the allotment list, he didn't get the admission with the 676 marks last year. So these are the very minute mistakes, okay, which are doing by the people. So those who are getting overconfidence, please don't do, okay, negligence, okay, don't do any kind of negligence during the counseling. Each and every minute mistake is important. Okay, please, okay, it is better to take the counseling guidance from through mentorship. It is very helpful for you. Okay, all of you think about this. So wish you all the best once again. Okay, and also congratulations those who qualified in the NEET examination. So wish you all the best. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vanja.